Hello, this is me, and this is a pepper shaker. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pour some of this paper here. Yep, that is pepper. Everyone knows pepper makes you sneeze, but I'm going to sniff that and not sneeze because I'm immune to pepper. Ha ha! That peppery goodness. And to prove I'm not going to sneeze, I'm going to leave this on for a little while. Just so you can see me not sneezing due to sniffing pepper. Still not sneezing. It's burning a little bit, but I'm not sneezing. Maybe a bit more. Eyes are watering, but still no sneezing. And my nostrils are burning like a bugger, but I'm not sneezing. Oh my wording. Oh, that does burn. See, proof I'm immune to